Are you cold? Sleeping. Oi. Very cold outside, buddy. 4 degrees. That's why. That's why you're in donut position. I don't know. We sleep. Oh. We hugging together in the winter. If winter, we hugging each other. Ading, 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 ading. Ading, ading. Good morning. Oi, wake up na. Let's go. We drink hot chocolate. Ha? Good morning na. Oi. Wake up na. Ha? You sleep like a king. Ha 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 ha. Okay, your hair is... Huh? You hide? You hide. You hide. Hide, hide, hide. Hide, hide, hide. Very cold. Hide, hide, hide. This is how we slept. We slept hugging each other. Because we need heat. We need the heat. The heat. The body heat. So that is not much cold. Lazy, this dog. See? Still sleeping. It's 6 o'clock, buddy. I need something hot on my stomach. I need something hot on my stomach, buddy. Huh? What do you think of that? I'm lazy also. I'm lazy to wake up. He is he's very nice dog. He's very sweet dog. He slept next to us. He slept together with me, beside me. You sleep with mommy. Mommy, mommy. Mommy, mommy. He doesn't want daddy. Mommy, mommy. He is mama's girl. Mama's girl. Mama's girl. See? He said, why? He said, you sleeping? Again? Daddy shower already. How about you? I shower you later? Ading, 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 ading. My baby. My baby. If I stand, he will stand also. Okay, let's go. Let's go. We drink hot chocolate. Okay na? Let's go. What do you think? He said, let's go. What do you think?